In this video, we are going to talk about top 10 biggest real estate companies in the world, so before starting this video, please like this video, and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. The process of buying a house is stressful in its best moments and absolute hell in its worst. Here's a list of the top 10 biggest real estate companies in the world. Let's start. Number 10. Boston Properties. Headquarters, Boston, Massachusetts. 2021 annual revenue, $2.889 billion. Boston Properties specializes in commercial office buildings. Most of their business takes place in large American cities, like Boston, Los Angeles, and New York City. Boston Properties is known for a few key developments in its history. Number 9. Welltower. Headquarters, Toledo, Ohio. 2021 annual revenue, $4.606 billion. Most of the real estate business that Welltower participated in involves senior housing and healthcare facilities. The company was so tied to the medical field that it was originally called Healthcare Fund in 1970 when it was founded. They transformed to Welltower in 2015 to broaden its professional potential beyond just healthcare facilities. Number 8. Simon Property Group Incorporated Headquarters, Indianapolis, Indiana. 2021 annual revenue, $4.608 billion. The business endeavors of Simon Property Group fall into the retail category. In addition to being a prominent commercial real estate brokerage firm, the company is also the largest operator of shopping malls in the United States. Number 7. Prologis. Headquarters, San Francisco, California. 2021 annual revenue, $4.830 billion. Each real estate company has its sweet spot. For Prologis, that's large industrial properties. They're actually the largest industrial real estate company on the planet by owning an estimated 814 million square feet of industrial property across 19 different countries. Number 6. Realogy Holdings. Headquarters, Madison, New Jersey. 2021 annual revenue, $8 billion. Realogy Holdings was the result of a division split in the hospitality company, Cendant. In the fracture, the segments that the business was involved in became independent companies. This included founding Realogy Holdings as the product of their real estate undertakings in 2005. Number 5. American Tower Corporation. Headquarters, Boston, Massachusetts. 2021 annual revenue, $8.042 billion. Unlike many of the other top real estate companies, American Tower Corporation functions in the operations and development of wireless communication, like cell phone towers. Formed in 1995 as an extension of American Radio Systems. Number 4. Cushman Wakefield Incorporated Headquarters, Chicago, Illinois. 2021 annual revenue, $9.4 billion. In 1917, Cushman Wakefield was established by a pair of brothers-in-law in New York City. The progress of the small real estate company was slow but steady for 40 years until the company blew up in 1969 when they became the project developer for Chicago Sears Tower. Number 3. CBRE. Headquarters, Los Angeles, California. 2021 annual revenue, $29.14 billion. When it comes to buying and selling commercial real estate property, CBRE is the top broker for the job. They assist anyone involved in the process of purchasing, selling, or investing in commercial real estate. Number 2. Brookfield Asset Management. Headquarters, Toronto, Canada. 2021 annual revenue, $75.73 billion. There is a long and scattered history behind Brookfield Asset Management. It was founded over 120 years ago in Brazil as the São Paulo Tramway, Light, and Power Company, and it functioned mainly as infrastructure management. Number 1. Keller Williams Realty. Headquarters, Austin, Texas. 2021 annual revenue, $532.2 billion. Keller Williams Realty began as one office based in Austin, Texas that sold local residential properties. From these humble beginnings blossomed the largest real estate company in the world. Gary Keller and Joe Williams founded the brokerage in 1983. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.